friends. One of the common problems with assembled furniture like the ones that we can buy from IKEA is that they often do come apart, specifically where the caster type locks. In this specific piece of furniture we have a problem down here, and we are going to show you how to fix this today fairly easily. The first thing we have to do is to take the drawers off. You can stop. Instead of clamps, we're going to use this kind of ratchet that we usually use when we want to secure something on a truck or a flatbed, and it works very well for this project. So we need to put it around the furniture. So make sure that this is not at the bottom of the legs, because it's going to break the legs, but you need to be at the point of the joint that has come apart, and then simply pull it together. You can come close and see. And as you can see, this is completely closed now. Close.
I am very close.
Now the last step before we release the joint is there is a cam inside in all this kind of furniture that through moving for cleaning or with time it just comes loose. So simply find it and make sure that you tighten it in. And now this repair is complete. And here is the cam that I was talking about. Don't forget to tighten that. As you can see, this is a very easy fix and it looks perfect. So the only thing we have remaining now is to reinstall the drawer, and this repair will be done. I hope you enjoyed this tip about how to repair an IKEA type style furniture that is held with cams. And if you did, please share, like and subscribe. This helps our channel tremendously. We have been growing steadily over the last few months, and your support is greatly appreciated. Happy holidays!